I'm one of the famous Basida bark, the slippery bark. Tree this, you know. This is the magic, this is the mystic, this is slime. Beautiful, beautiful tree, brethren. At the heel all this. The giants. The bark for the digestive tract. Yeah, man. Wild Basida, even the seed them, tell you the seed them can't eat when them ripe. Yeah. Man, that tree, I don't take it now, man. Don't take it now, man. The medicine properties for this have is numerous. Yeah.
Joints, gut. So
Good
8
sinews them, good rebuilding the tissues them.
So 8 bottles of this would reverse your whole gut system.
Definitely, man. Definitely.
You recommend that for everyone.
Yeah, man.
Drink 8 bottles.
Have a laxative effect, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So it also helps to detoxify, and it's also a supplement. So
Mm-hmm.
you know, it has a lot of minerals and nutrients.
Mm-hmm.
Can sustain the body.
You drink slippery elm every time you can get a chance with sea moss.
Yeah, man, and I just drink it by itself. You know, I like to put it together with the clove. The clove is another amazing thing. It's a bone. As we get older, the bone mass, we lose bone mass.
Mm-hmm.
So we have to make sure that we are taking the food. That's why you see when someone reaches 70, them,
Mm-hmm.
them get slim down and shrink because of the bone. We losing bones. Some love fashion. Watch that.
So how easy it is to grow?
Just drop this, just alright. You see, like them here, we drop on the ground, them just stare and then them just sit up.
Can it grow from the passion fruit? Grow from the limbs or just the seeds?
Seeds. That's why seeds important.
Mm-hmm.
See, and these are mine.
Passion fruit.
Grow from the
And what's the passion fruit good for?
Yo, it's amazing. You see iron?
Uh-huh.
Packed with iron. Packed with iron. And what I love with it, it have a sourness. And when it says sour, it balance back the sweet.
Okay.
Because we eat too much sweet. So that's why I find that my body calls for it, because I have to balance that the body pH back.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
But this is iron. Same people short of iron. The female them short of iron. The man them short of iron. We need iron in our body. See, that's why it's anemic.
Mm-hmm.
And even the passion flower, again, is good for the hormone balance in the. When the flower, is
The flower.
nice for tea. Yeah, man, you use the flower when it before it reach.
Mm-hmm.
When it just, yeah, man, the flower is another fruit, another part of the tree plant. Good for mental, calming the nerves. So at different stages you find that medicinal properties. Yo, look at this. See that?
There's 2 in there.
Look at that, man.
There's a lot.
A bird I eat passion fruit here. When I come and I see so much passion fruit at the gate, I was like, yo! Yeah. See it there. See it.
There's a lot down there, under there.
Yeah.
Let's go pick some.
So as you know, so as you work with me now, so as you say, yeah, this is another flavor.
But you have them at your house.
Yeah, that's what I say. It's like, yo, that seal the thing, cause
Okay.
I just let them take over some of the trees, them, and just even avocado, I love so much. You see them, passion just say, and take it over. But I love them because guess what? Now, right around the season, you get them, right around the seasons.
Mm-hmm.
So, I love them. Can get up and say, alright, passion, you must find a one or two passion. But they have a fable where from youths, especially in Jamaica here, where a man say, yo, the older folks say, no, man not supposed to eat fresh passion fruit. See, there's a few little things there, man that's even papaya. But I don't think they didn't ask the question why. Just man not supposed to eat passion. So even the brethren soldier who work with me, you hear him say, yo, you're not eating. From my youth, them say not eat it, but him to ask the question why. I mean I say, yo, I this you eat. Cause I don't iron make the blood pump. So if I fit your manhood, you're good.
Oh, maybe it started off by saying boys are not supposed to eat it, and then
It just
oral tradition always changes, because if the boys eat it and they're young, too much male energy,
too much, yes.
and then no.
Yes, breathe out. Yes. So that's what it has to be.
Yes, because this is probably we're gonna have to make an extract then.
Yes.
We're gonna have to make a passion, so this would be good for the men.
This is great, brethren. As I say, higher, brethren. Blood.
So the passion fruit extract for all the support. Passion fruit tincture.
Yes. That's all right. You have to use it in blood tonic. Mix the bitter with this too, because this goes well with the bitters.
Mm-hmm.
That's the deal with the blood, brethren. It's the deal with the blood.
Yes. Natural
blood.
blood cleanser.
Yeah, man. Yes.
So it's a natural, one of the most natural.
Yes.
Like the susumba, turkey berry.
Like the turkey berry, the taste them. Remember.
So what other three would compare with these three? Like this, the turkey berry, and then what other bitter one? We know the bitter melon, we know the turnip. Turnip is very powerful.
Turnip is powerful.
Raw.
Mm-hmm. Even the chocho again.
For the blood
Yeah,
purification.
the chocho is another amazing fruit.
Mm-hmm.
Saying good for the bones them. Again, the chocho. So, as I said, there's some vine, and then we have the wild one to this, what we call the sweet cup. It's a little bit sweeter.
Mm-hmm.
And the sweet cup it's wild. It grow wild. The shell is a harder shell.
Mm-hmm.
Too.
Let's put these out the way in case the car
just in
comes
case.
by.
Come on, look at this. Open the ears. Breakfast.
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 We're having breakfast. So you just go on the grounds and get the breakfast.
Don't go to the store.
No more store.
Don't go to the
No need to. You don't want to store anything really. Store.
Let me show you something about the wild. See another tree here, but you see the wild cedar now. We like to like to use the bark from these young limbs. Yeah, you get a better slime. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, the young limb give it a nice slime.
So after you strip it, how are you gonna prepare it? Add heat to it?
Yeah, man, you boil up your water and throw
And
on
just soak it,
and then,
seep
man, let
it.
seep. And seep it overnight.
Okay.
Stripping it takes a lot of work to strip it and get it.
So that's why it's sometimes you always run out of elm.
Yeah.
It's a lot of work.
It's a lot of work, and we like to harvest it at a certain cycle too. That's again. So
Okay, so it's not a mass production.
it's not a mass product. You see, that's the thing with nature still, when I look at nature,
It's not supposed to be.
that's why you have pharmaceutical where they have to go and copy, because they know
Mm-hmm.
that nature is not to mass produce. See, these herbs are not really mass producing things. And that's why you see even each section in the earth have a certain amount and certain time.
What's the word for break that you would take out a break? It says we're taking a reset.
Reset.
This is a
We do
reset. Don't take breaks.
We do a reset. You have to do a reset. The body needs this, man. In this world, have technology. You have to just combine with nature. Let nature, you know, that communication. We need that. The trees, them. Listen to the birds. Listen to the breeze. The limbs, the leaves. We need this. This is man, nature, man. We remember, we was nomad treadings. We always trad in the hills, trad in nature. See, nature sustain us. See, we are nature. We are nature, bro. So when you see we go in the city life, bro, we can't live. That's robotic. That is not human.
Mm-hmm.
It's there, yes, for its purpose, but what? You can't spend 15 years straight in the concrete jungle and think you're gonna be normal. You can't be normal, brethren. That's gonna affect your mental faculty, your well-being, your spiritualness. So you have to come to here now and get the talk to the spirits, the trees. Be rooted, you have to be rooted. See, so you always have to come forward to where it begins, man. See, into the root. And we as African people, this is innate in us. So we have to reset, brethren, and that's what reset is. And that's why you find more and more people, they wanna come back somewhere where it's not about concrete.
We're on a journey together, and we've been on a journey for 2 years now, building these products to send out to the world. It's a healing mission.
It's a mission, brethren, and it's a collective work too, because as I say, one man cannot do it. So that's why we have to work as team. Seeing it, look at the ants them. We have to pattern the ants them, pattern nature.
Mm-hmm.
The ants them don't work alone. And look how much things they can lift.
Mm-hmm.
The ants them can lift something 10 times, 100 times them size when they work together, bro. So human, what are the human beings with the more supposed to have the more
Supreme,
intelligence?
supposed to.
Mm-hmm. So now we have to rise up to that level, the God level.
Mm-hmm.
And that's why electric food is so important, because when we start feeding from nature,
Hold this in your hands.
yes, when we start to eat, not from the supermarket anymore, from the wild.
As best as you can.
Yeah, man.
Because, you know.
We know. When I say not from the supermarket, I mean like the supermarket not supposed to be your main
market.
source. Yes.
Nothing super fast.
Not super
processed.
fast. Yeah, not even super food. We not call food super by right. What you gonna call super food? Food is one thing.
You
Food
don't
one
say
thing.
super moon or super sun.
Or super earth.
Or super river. So why is food super?
Why food super?
They're all in their own right.
Yeah, man. We do too much. You know,
Processing
division.
and processing.
Yeah, man. We have to stop that. And just know that great food, good food is good food. And these are food.
Live
food. See, electric food.
Yes.
And that's it.
So we teach them TMP. The body's a truth machine.
Mm-hmm.
What's the temperature when you increase the food? And how long do you prepare your food? That's T.
Yes.
M, magnesium, movement, math. If you don't know how much copper you have in your 40, the math is wrong.
Yes.
Some needs multivitamins in the system. We make natural multivitamins. Yes. So that's M. P now is you pick it from the tree, pick it up from the ground,
Yes.
or if you pull it from the ground, don't cook it. So anything you could pull from the ground in TMP is what you're going to eat. Raw. Carrots, red onions.
Your beets.
And we teach them that you're above ground, so stay with food above ground.
Stay above. You see the back? Wasn't designed to be like this. Putting things underneath by rights.
And your
by
nails
law.
were made for digging.
Yes.
You're not a rat.
We're not rats.
Yeah, you're not a rat.
Look at me, I'm a human man. See, I am not
A digger.
I'm not a digger.
Don't eat under the ground when you have to cook it if it's not raw.
That's it. Pick it. See,
Pick,
long
pull,
hands.
pick, pull, or pick up.
You can pick up, but we're not supposed to down here digging. Not so much pressure on the back.
Got it.
That's it.
That's TMP.
TMP.
Temperature. If the food temperature is not, it goes too high, it kills the live enzyme. Once it's dead, it loses the truth. Now, the truth machine, the body copies things.
Yes.
It's a copy machine.
Yes.
Whatever you give it, it will take 10 years to copy it.
Yes.
And then when you start developing disease, you're like, why is that? Because you keep eating so much meat, the meat is cooked, your brain is going to be cooked. You're talking about Alzheimer's, the
You're killing the
heart.
cells.
They say you are what you eat.
Yes.
So if you keep eating cooked so much.
Dead cells. Dead cells. Too much cells dying.
We had a project now called the Finisher. And the Finisher product that we have, people, is the turkey berry with the watercress and the noni detox. I drank some of this the other day because normally I need to take my multivitamins or to get me strong, right?
Yes.
Because I wouldn't be able to be here right now because I ran out of my multivitamins. So I drank 4 ounces, 2 ounces of the Finisher. And something is happening to me.
What's that, right?
I think I'm finished. In a good way.
Yes.
I'm not wobbling.
You're not. And you don't even have to depend on multivitamin every day.
My brother, I drank the Finisher. And I've been, whatever was in my body, causing little
Itches.
imbalance,
itches.
off balance,
Yeah.
it's finished.
It's done.
That's why we call it the Finisher.
That's what it is.
Because whatever the problem is, let's explain how it works. And this is what I'm seeing. I'm seeing that first, the noni detox build your immune system.
Oh, listen to me. That is the immune excavates. Lift me. It lift up the immune system. So listen. If you have a flu, remember now, if you have a flu, going through the flu symptoms, normally anything you take it, yes, it will, take time and shorten the days, but it lick it right out, Reggie.
And then no, the noni detox build you first, like it's building a system.
Yes.
Then the turkey berry goes in where the tumor is or the cell's not working, and it says, hey guys, you're not supposed to be here, you're not supposed to be here. And then the watercress comes in and says, hey, when you're being born, rejuvenate, you're gonna be brand new. You're gonna be the best that you could be. Yes. The watercress. So these three working together. Tell us more what's in the Finisher.
The Guinean.
The Guinean weed.
The Guinean
what
weed.
is it gonna do?
Listen to me. And when you talk about searching out cancer cells, the Guinean is like one of the superb herbs to deal with cancer. So the Guinean now, it search out for any disease.
Like the turkey berry.
Like the turkey berry.
So they're both fighting together.
They're fighting together. And what I like, the combination with the noni is like a good carrier. So the noni...
With the turmeric.
Yes.
That's a real carrier.
Yeah, listen to me, man.
Hello? I'm sorry to interrupt you. Keep going. Because you see, I'm getting this.
Yes, sir. And it's just like, oh, we need to go over there. And it's like, fast.
So, first of all, the turmeric goes through the entire system. And as the soldiers are behind it, with everybody, give me something more that's in there.
We have the turkey berry there. Oh, the cayenne is in there. The cayenne, the bird pepper.
Yeah, it's also it carries it.
It's a carrier again too.
2 carriers.
2 carriers in there.
Hey.
And the garlic is in there too.
Inflammation.
See, the garlic acts as an antibiotic, natural, of course, in the nature. See, so it's like one of the more. It's 77 ingredients in there.
All right, we'll stop right there. So when you get the Finisher, it's for everybody.
Listen to me. We call it nature's medicine kit because it's supposed to have this in every household. From the baby comes straight up to the granny. We're supposed to have this bottle. We're supposed to have this bottle at the.
So it's like a medicine cabinet in one bottle.
That's what it is.
It's like it's a medicine cabinet.
It's a medicine cabinet, and that's what the nickname we call it, the medicine kit.
Got it.
Because it's for the family.
Everybody.
In
1
the season, you want to have this. The baby 1 teaspoon. The elder, when adults, a tablespoon.
How long does it take to make 1 8-ounce bottle?
It takes us a while.
A month?
About a month or that.
A month to make 1 bottle?
Yeah, about a month.
And you told me also when you have certain issues with cancer, this thing will help move things along.
Yeah,
We won't
remember the
say it
herbs,
now,
yeah,
but
remember
yeah,
the herbs
that's
are
in
in
it.
there to
Are
search out
specifically
specific. Because remember that,
search and destroy.
yeah, because remember diabetes, it works with the pancreas also.
That's what's happening to me.
Yes, to balance back the insulin, the chemicals. That's what, because remember, in our body is
Medical.
chemicals. The man, chemicals. The female, chemicals. So we need the balance, the chemicals. And that's what we, as I say, we have to bring it down to the subatomic atomic level where we're dealing with chemicals. That's all in our body, chemical. That's why you see we are electric beings, and that's why the electricity is chemists.
So this we want to get out for 2025 to all our clients.
Everyone's supposed
Every
to
human
have
should have
one
this
of this in their house, and I'm serious because
medical kit.
medical kit. It's the medicine kit, nature's medicine kit. The turkey berry, the Guinean,
No need.
and the watercress is
Number
the
one,
number one vegetable in the world.
cell rejuvenator.
And tambourine is in there too.
Hel-
I
hel-
didn't tell you about the
hello,
tambourine. Oh God,
bro,
you talk
hello.
about
But this, what you did here, what you did, I know your secret. You know what you did? You remember when we created the prevention box? This
yes,
also. This is a prevention box
it is.
in the
It
one
is.
bottle.
It is. You're getting it one bottle. See, one bottle you're getting the preventive and also
And the search and destroy
search and destroy.
and the rebuilding of the immune system.
yes, yes.
And when you testing
Can it
this,
go? Remember, Randy?
when
I
you
don't
when
need
you
to
were
touch it.
testing this on the clients, what was that like?
And that's the next thing. We did our own clinical test for a while, and it's like over a year we've been doing this test, and it's. I remember the first time I gave it to one of my neighbor. He telling me, yeah, you and the wife, we're not feeling good, And I said, what's wrong? He said, yeah, we have some, we have a few like symptoms going on. And I said, all right, no worries. So I went to the store, and when I was coming back, I put 2 ounces, separate 2 ounces, and I gave it to him. And the next morning, he come up my gate saying, Ross, it's like when what's that thing? We can't get some more to buy? I said, why? He said, it's like as I drink it, just feel better. It's like it works instantly. And this is a man in his, 70s going into 80s, And then it's from there I actually start doing the clinical test now, and because, as I said, we know that the noni with the cayenne and the garlic was good for your sinuses and allergies and immunity. But we wanted to make it work quicker. In this world, people like things quick. So we were like, all right. So we found these ingredients that works independently. They work
Independently
together.
Yes.
And we say, all right. We had these, and we put them together with a certain ratio, and this is what we got. And we start doing it even with the staff at the store. We do it with them and the customers when they come in, broken down, coughing, and
Mucus. So this gets rid of mucus also.
that's why.
What was one of the key ingredients in there that gets rid of the mucus?
Bro, remember, you see the tambourine? The tambourine, man. Listen to me.
Man, you had a tamarind extract, you had a watercress extract, you had a turkey berry extract,
Guinea.
and you had you didn't have the Guinean extract, but not at least now you do. So this is a prevention box.
We didn't do it segment.
And the breadfruit. You might want to put the breadfruit on this side.
We're not gonna put any more in it because I'm telling you.
7 is the seal number.
When I say it's sealed with those ingredients, and as I said, it wasn't put it like that. It wasn't even thought to put a certain amount. They just came together where like, okay.
So how many bottles do you have, let's say, at the store right now? of 8 ounce?
We have them in the 5 ounce and we have them in the 8 ounce.
Okay.
You know, the 5 ounce is for the starter box.
You're gonna have this in the starter box now?
Remember, we tell you that's what we're gonna put in the starter box now instead of just the regular Noni Plus, Noni Detox. So
Really?
yeah. So we have
Really?
Yeah. So we have them.
Really?
Yeah.
So when
So the 8
so
ounce
so
is for single. For
so,
person who wants
so
it.
basically, but this is going to increase the price.
Well, of course, of course, of course.
Can we? So the reason why you put in the starter box is because you just want everybody to have the best prevention and cleaning.
Yeah, we have to protect. As I say, remember, we as human, we have to take care of one another. We need each other, and the less persons we have with sickness,
But are you sure you have enough for the starter box? I think we have to rethink this because I tell you why.
Enough, Ran.
You sure?
We have enough.
Because remember, you'd say it takes a month to make it.
Yeah, but I've been making these things years now. Listen to me.
I know you want to give them the best of everything, but are you sure
when
you're
I'm
going to be
talking-
able to supply?
When I'm talking about this product, is because this product has been. I know the amazing
Results.
results.
So you want that
So I
effect
made
for the
sure-
clients.
and I made sure we've been stocking up on this thing
Okay, got it. So you've been constantly making it.
constantly. It's something I don't stop making.
Oh, good. Because this is it now. And even if people just buy it by itself, you have to get this.
Yeah, man.
Best coming out of Jamaica, period, full stop.
It's the best, man. It's the best, and I'm proud to say, hey,
So all your years of work, 50 years of herbal, and you think this is the greatest thing you've ever made?
I'm gonna say one of the greatest.
One of? What's the other one?
No, I'm just saying one of
The
the
answer?
greatest. The answer is another amazing one. But as I say, what I like with the Noni 7 here now, the finisher, because
The medicine kit.
medicine kit, it's something that you know that, hey, you see like how you have your Advil or your whatever in your,
Okay, it's kind of like it goes for pain too.
it's good.
The lady that you
No,
gave
listen me,
Noni is for the pain.
listen me, when my foot chop off
When your foot got
and in
cut
the
off.
hospital.
For English, yeah.
Yes. Listen, I didn't take any no pain. I didn't
No
take
pain.
any no pain, nothing.
Mm-hmm.
Only time I took the anesthesia is when actually doing the surgery.
Mm-hmm.
All right, but Noni is good for treating pain.
Got it. So this is why that lady that was having some issues. Did you keep up with her? What is she saying now? Did she finish the 8 ounce or 5 ounce? What bottle? How much did you give her?
I gave her a 5 ounce bottle, and the next day she was able to go to the gym.
And how many? And what was her
Tell me about
problem before?
Listen to me, for about a couple of weeks, she was having flu-like symptoms, similar to like COVID, because really and truly she was down and just a lot of coughing and sneezing, eyes red, weak out. And I gave, the first thing I just gave her the noni with the cayenne and the garlic, and it just, she said, yeah, it helps a little bit. I was like, all right, that's not enough. So I said, all right, I'm gonna give you something, and guess what? If this don't work for you, I quit. Yeah, I did. I said I quit.
This is, I'm going to make sure my brother gets this video so he gets
man.
this
And the next day,
medicine kit.
she called me. She said, yeah. I slept. She slept so good, she told me, first of all.
Which agent in there was good for the sleeping?
Randy, the thing, I'm not going to even point out
Each.
because guess what? That's why nature is so dynamic.
Sorry to interrupt. What's this good for? What is this? Do you know it? Oh man, this is beautiful. Can't pass without recognizing it. It's a beauty, man. I want that at the house.
It's a form of cactus.
No, that is pretty.
Yeah.
That is.
And it's similar to the tequila, the one that they harvest tequila from.
Man, our nature walk in the morning with JamaicaHealthBox.com.
They're just stepping up on vervain, man. Oh, I'm sorry. Look at,
And the vervain, what is it good for?
vervain is good for the nervous system, bro. Vervain is good for the nerves.
And what product do you have specifically for the nervous system?
we have a product we call Second Nerves.
Okay, got it.
Second nerve is good for the nervous system. And again, the never tired roots. I think what happened, a lot of people through they hear the never tired, they think, oh, but no. That's why I say again, we're gonna go back to where you say which of the ingredients is good for the nerves are sleeping, because what nature does, for nature to work, it has to put you, sedate you.
You have to rest to rejuvenate, to
That's
reset.
it.
I talk about the 3 R's: rest, rejuvenate, reset.
Yes. So
But that's what the body's doing and they told me that every year, the bone, everything changes.
every 13
So
months,
how are you
cells
gonna
go through
rejuvenate, rest, and reset
reset without.
if you're not resting?
You have to
So first you
relax.
need the roots to rest.
Yes.
The nerves needs to calm down.
The nerves have to calm down, bro. And then all the organs know. Because remember, the nerves is sending is a signal.
Traffic.
Traffic. So it's chaos if.
High blood pressure is linked with that.
Yes.
So if you don't drink the roots, high blood pressure not gonna come down.
And that's the next
Part
thing
of the
we
high
learn.
blood pressure
Yes.
box.
Yes.
Roots has to be in there.
Roots has to
The settlement nerve has to be in there.
These
It's a
things-
combination of things. It's a
Combination.
process.
It's a process.
It can't just take this
No.
and the
Combination.
diet and the food. People,
Yes.
the link is below. JamaicaHealthBox.com. Sign the waiting list and contact us. This is one of our first nature walk. We're not going to tell you where we are.
Definitely not. And this here in Jamaica, we call this the broom weed. You see the seed? So this is another one that's in the stone crusher.
The
Talk
stone
ab-
crusher.
Talk about the kidney, the stones.
Here we are in Jamaica with the one and only Yaya from Jamaica Health Box. See? We've been with you for a long time. Sending new products, right?
Yes.
But now we have something special. Very special. An everyday product. And some special ingredients. We spoke about that on the trail.
Yes, we did.
And
We're excited to let our clients get these very special product. I know we do a lot of special product, but these products here are just so everyday functional. That, it's the answer to this big problem
of life
of life
and health
issues.
issues.
Yes, that's what it is.
This first aid health. This first aid. All right. This first aid. This nature first aid kit. It's a preventive kit. It's a
Now kit.
reset, rejuvenate, and restore.
Yes.
So it has the 3 R's. Why did you make this kit? Why is it necessary on an everyday basis for from 5 up, every human being to take this? Why?
Because our body, we're living in a world where every day we are constantly fighting to survive. And when we say fighting to survive, where health, there's so much toxic in here, so much issues. We have to deal with. Our body has to be in defense mode. We're not supposed to live like that. So the body comes under too much attack, too much pressure.
Yes.
And when the body comes under pressure, the everyday noise, the everyday toxin, the everyday food, poisoning, what's gonna happen to the body after a while? It's gonna shut down.
Let me jump in. The way you explain this powerful kit to me, nature's first aid kit, nature's first aid kit. You build this new product, but from what I'm learning, the power of it is this. This is where my take on the explanation of this product. the body is what you call depleted.
Yes.
It's depleted. It has, like you said, the toxins.
Oxidative stress.
Yes, before even talking about the stuff, one of the simplest way to understand this, if you lose 2 cells, imagine we could give you back 4.
Yes.
And that's what the chocolate
Yes.
that you're gonna have in this.
Yes.
Imagine no one told you that chocolate every day, not chocolate bars, this special thing we're gonna send you, liquid,
Wild, organic,
liquid or
powder,
powder,
or the seeds.